Hello, I'm Pascal. I'm from France, as you notice. I come to help my friend Mika to do the Foley of her movie. I've been doing this work since 30 years, so now I'm pretty confident with it. I don't think I can learn anything to American because they know about sound, but I can give a French touch to this movie, which maybe would be nice. I hope, I'm sure. And I found some other stuff, you know, different tissue, another jacket, you know, from you can do fight, some weapon, you know, you have to do maybe some fight. We have to redo every sound. When you record a movie, you record more the talking of the actors, and many sounds are missed. But I'm doing just what actors do. If they eat, I make noise of eating. If they fight, I fight. If they open the door, I open the door. You see, it's pretty. And in this kind of movie, I will try to make it funny because it's a really funny movie. The character is wearing this, and he's a really funny guy. So I want to, when I make the Foley on him, I will do many little sounds with that stuff. Every time he's moving, I'm gonna exaggerate it to make it a little funnier, but he's really funny, this guy. And I have some stuff like that too. To do the winds. Stuff like that. Different kind. Those shoes were mine too, long time ago. And they make too much noise, you know. I was fed up with them, so I said, But when I start to work, I said, oh, those are good. So I can do a man, girl. You see? And this one is more for girls. What else? You see, it's the beginning, and the studio is full of stuff. But I took stuff I saw in the movie, but in the studio they have many things, so I can find everything. But I prefer to have a little bit ready. My favorite is when we listen to my job and it's good. It fit with the direct sound and it fit with the sound editing. So that's the best part for me when it's finished, when it's done.